Hello kids, good morning. Welcome back to English class. In the last class, we saw capital letter cursive writing, that too from A to M. Today we are going to write from the letter N. Okay, we'll start with N. To write capital letter N, keep your pencil in middle of these two blue line and put long tick. Okay, long tick, slanting line, another slanting line, go up, touch the first red line and put tail. This is capital letter N. What is the next letter? Next letter is O. To write O, put long tick. Okay, put long tick, take a curve, come back and put right curve, touch the last blue line and again go up, touch the top red line and put loop out. Okay, this is O, capital letter O. After O, next letter is P. To write capital letter P, keep the pencil on the first red line and put long standing line. Okay, turn back, again go up, put left curve by touching the first blue line and put a small tail inside. Okay, this is capital letter P. After P, next letter is Q. To write capital letter Q, keep your pencil on the second blue line. Okay, and from down to up, go up and then again come down, put a loop out. This is capital letter Q. It is very easy to write. Okay, after this, next letter is R. R is also same like P. Okay, put like this. Here you have to put a small slanting line and tail. This is capital letter R. Next, capital letter S. Put long tick, turn back, take a small curve. Okay, small curve and then come back, put a left curve. Again go back to the slanting line, put a tail like this. This is capital letter S. Next, T. Keep your pencil on the first red line and put a small curve like this. Okay, do not take your pencil, take a small bend, that is loop out. Okay, put a standing line and a curve. This is capital letter T. Next letter is U. Keep your pencil on the first blue line. Okay, put a small slanting line, write U and a tail. This is capital letter U. Okay, next letter is V. Pencil on the first blue line, small slanting line, write V and tail on the first red line. This is like a loop out. Okay, next letter W. Again, pencil on the first blue line, put small slanting line, write W and loop out. And next letter is X. To write X, keep your pencil on the second blue line and put long tick. Okay, and put left curve without taking pencil, go on the same line and go up, touch the red line and again come down, write capital letter X like this. Now capital letter Y. For Y also put long tick and write Y. Long upward curve. Okay, then come down, touch the last red line and put tail. This is capital letter Y. Now we are going to write the last alphabet. Okay, that is Z. To write Z, put long tick. Okay, touch the top red line and here take a bend and again come back to the second blue line. Now go off of the way, touch the first blue line, again put another curve and tail. Okay, this is capital cursive Z. Okay kids, now we finish all the alphabet, both caps and small. Okay, you do practice regularly. We'll meet in the next class. Take care kids. Bye bye.